I'm Neha Noronha from the Trade and Supply Chain Finance Program of the Asian Development Bank. Today we're at Trade Finance Global's Trade, Treasury and Payments event here in London, which ADB are a proud partner of. We'll be discussing an important topic. How can we close the gender gap, inspire inclusion and make trade an equitable place to work for everyone? Today, I'm delighted to be joined by Carmen Maria Ramirez Ortiz, Relationship Manager at the Asian Development Bank. Carmen, welcome to Trade Finance Talks.
Thank you, Neha.
Please, can you give us a quick introduction as to who are you, where are you from, and what is it that you do at the ADB?
Absolutely. My name is Carmen Ramirez. I'm a Spanish national and I joined Asian Development Bank in 2020, actually through a secondment program for young professionals sponsored by the government of Spain. So currently at ADB, I'm a relationship manager at ADB's Trade and Supply Chain Finance program, and I'm responsible for scaling the supply chain finance business in Asia and the Pacific through the deployment of risk-sharing arrangements and also developing new SCF products to actually address the trade finance gap.
Fascinating. Can you tell us a bit more about that last aspect of your job?
Absolutely. So financial innovation is crucial for addressing the trade finance gap, especially for SMEs. SMEs are, as we all know, the backbone of most of the economies, but unfortunately they are also the most affected by the trade finance gap. So in order to address this challenge, ADB has brought an amazing working group together, and we are working to develop a framework on deep-tier supply chain finance. And this product will be an innovative solution to support SMEs, and those SMEs who are actually deeper down in global supply chains. So we are very excited about this space because we believe it will have great potential to actually drive liquidity to those underserved segment of the economy and also enhance some transparency. So we will be publishing an industry guideline very shortly, so stay tuned.
Wow. And of course, increase financial inclusion for a huge segment.
Absolutely.
The digitalization of trade has been deemed an important step for making trade cheaper, faster, and easier. What initiatives have you been working on to drive trade digitalization at the multilateral level?
The digitalization of global trade will be absolutely transformative, but it will never happen unless government step forward and actually adopt legislation which will be enabling the recognition of those electronic version of key documents in trade, such as e-bill of lading. This is the case of the United Kingdom or Singapore that are actually taking the lead on this space. So as part of my role in ADB, we're actually promoting this enabling legislation, which you will have heard about, the Ancestral Model Law on Electronic Transferable Record, long name, so MELITA for short. And we are doing so through capacity building and technical assistance. So the objective is to make sure that developing Asia is not left behind, and actually governments can come up the curve and realize the benefits of digitalization. So we are trying to gather not only MDBs, but also other regional organizations, so we all join efforts and incentivize not only private sector stakeholders, but also government to move forward with this agenda.
So Carmen, when I first joined trade finance, there weren't a lot of women. So looking at you in the next gen of trade finance makes me very happy. As a young professional coming into the space, what advice would you give to, new people joining trade finance to inspire them to join trade finance?
So trade finance is actually the engine behind global economy. It's what actually fuels growth, prosperity, job creation. So I think we need to highlight that developmental angle, which is actually natural from trade, to foster more young professionals to join the industry. If I reflect from my previous work in Treasury and having seen what's the impact in day-to-day business, I'm very happy to be in this side of the coin, because in the end, trade finance is about supporting businesses to actually go cross-border, to empower themselves. And I think it's beautiful that trade finance not only provide a career prospect, but it's also give you an opportunity to do a good impact in your day-to-day job, which is a great deal.
Oh, and it is so important to have that purpose in what you do, because we spend such a long time every day at our jobs.
Yes.
Inspire Inclusion is this year's International Women's Day's theme. What does that mean for you?
So Neha, to me, inspire inclusion means empowerment. It's about granting yourself and others the freedom to grow, to learn, to stumble, to make mistakes without the fear of you will be judged. And that's irrespective of your gender, your origin, even your background, your professional background. To me, it entails the power and the confidence that when you think about transitioning not only professional careers, but also maybe countries or personal choice, you will be received with an open mind.
Yeah.
And I think that's the most powerful gift anyone can give to you, or you can give to others, the fact that you will be unbiased welcoming that person.
Indeed. I think I owe my career to many bosses who gave me a chance. Fantastic. Thank you so much, Carmen.
Thank you, Neha.